Easy bit.
That's it.
You say you leave me here.
I didn't see you.
Yeah, only for your whole imaginary babe. Oh, baby girl. Oh, my love. Now my ringtone you play just now.
Nice, I feel it. Touch your move button.
Touch my move button.
Touch your rag.
It bust my skull like this. It scatter my dada, you know what I'm saying?
Unfortunately, you don't get that.
I don't get that, but I get inside my mind. You understand? You see they carry me to some Rastafarian area.
That's it.
You understand me now? All right, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the late night show. Yeah. You know, boys, you know, this song, I just be happy. You know how they happy? If I say I was happy, you go do that.
Okay.
I was happy. Are they happy? Are they happy, man? All right, you know, because things don't happen over the weekend and everybody. Not to talk like yesterday, you know, because some kind things can just be for the whole things. But today, ladies and gentlemen, I get one chick with me, you know, very, very. Which one I want to describe this to now, you know? She have a songstress, very beautiful, called hot. Hi, you know that hot that they call it that no be H-O-T, now H-A-W-T.
Shit. Oh shit.
You make me speak in tongues. I'm taking. Ladies and gentlemen, we get Cynthia Morgan in the building. All right, so Cynthia Morgan will be for here inside the show, and we'll go uncover some kind of things, play some more, make some kind of craze and every. So when I all sit back, relax, this show will make too much brain. And of course, I go by the name Michael, but they call me Ogballer. Yes, thank you. Thank you. I love you too. Yeah. Oh, you too, I love you. Yeah. Oh, me, baby. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna all sit back, relax. We'll start the cocoa as our first segment as usual. And tell person to tell person, say the show don't start. Craziness show today, so nothing they happen at all. So easy bit, carry us come up. By the time we come back, the show just start. Please be very careful on me today, okay? Please gentle on me, because I'm taking. Okay, all right. Over the weekend, enough happened onto the political things, you know, election and everything. But this particular election, people not to come out.
Yeah, they just don't low.
It's just like people need to send the gubernatorial election.
They just don't low.
People just look up saying, but that presidential, oh, Bakalaya, Begre. So the sponsor children come back and say, we will vote. This country, we don't tire for the wala.
So the person can engage.
People engage. But any which way, we thank God for the peace and the tranquility will happen during this particular election. All right, but we get some pictures, them, some kind of things will happen during the whole P. You know, at a point, you get one place where Fashola and his wife come they dance. They're gonna dance, say, hey, humble. You know, but it shows so many things. It proved to us, in this country, we feel do things without wahala.
Yeah, without wahala, yes.
The presidential election time back, where they do some weeks back, and the picture with this, Fashola and his wife. If you look the wife, you gonna say she knows wear earring, he cover ear, prayer.
Some Owambe shit, yeah.
No, Fashola not I carry the walla for her head, but she do her own in a spiritual way. Now be the tying of scarf now. When my mother will come out from house like this, she don't the mountain.
It will shock you.
Now Makalibra hand at the bush. But the prayer to this one, oh baby, come to me. You know, we have done this thing again. We have conquered.
That's it.
But at the same time, Oyo State governor, they can't re-elect him. First time when the thing they happen, now your wife just hold her. If you see kiss, where she kiss her. She chop all her lips. Like, see her now. Chop all her lips.
Oh,
baby, come here. Oh, my God. Oh, I'll die with you. Wait till it happen this particular night. I'm not use my mouth talk. Oh, that lady. Yeah? But this particular one, it didn't make me, you know. Other governors say, the reason say, man, say my wife just hold me like this. Publicly give me affection. You know, for to make brain. I wish our governors would do all this one. All of them.
Get where they go do and reach. Now people go see they criticize them.
Forget it. Me, I want to see how. Maybe they form romance. Maybe they do governor and wife competition. First to stop kissing. If I make too much brain. But this one show, you know, it proved to us, man, things they happen. Let's say we'll still get some 1 or 2 pictures where we don't talk about before we enter for the cocoa and every. You understand? But any other picture they. This one make me laugh. People go come line up to call vote. But by the time they reach there, they say they never ready to vote. Everybody call they keep space for themselves. So that stone, that brown stone on my own stone. That brown stone on my own, not near around. But they keep different things just to hold space.
It will shock you.
Now, who's enough space? Who's enough space? All right, another picture day on board before we enter for the main thing. This Male. Who the meetings? Just reason say, I not come and kill myself. I cannot come and kill myself, please. Make I all do all right. Now, sister, no you agree, say me forget it. Make I do all right. The stress too much for this country.
No, the stress too
much.
The
stress plenty. So you no go blame her. You no go blame her. But any which way, her face not too show. But resemble of my friend, Mama. No, but from the side, the word is Zebula. I got call her say, come, where your malade? He say she does Saba. I say, okay, no be, sure. But anyway, which way, back to us, then I gist by the side. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, we don't enter the segment with the call, the cocoa of the day.
Make a tell them the cocoa, I make a tell them the cocoa. Make a tell them the cocoa, I make a tell them the cocoa.
If I tell them the cocoa,
Make a tell them the cocoa. When you see a woman blind, they just use the magic.
But you say we still pitch.
I
Okay, all right. For the cocoa,
Yeah.
Our first cocoa for the day. You see, not every time we pastors go to tell some kind of people some kind of things, means say everything they too all right.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
Because this particular gist pain me because now pastor thing involved with.
Okay.
Now, this babe, okay, fine, she and her boyfriend they get some issues and and she and her boyfriend they stay together.
Okay.
But along the line now, they consider the guy they get some kind of problems with illness, they're always sick. So she can't go block pastor now. Say no, the guy can't go block pastor.
The guy.
Can't go block pastor. Say look, and the whole level like this. And always sick. Waiting they cause the problem. I can't wonder. Pastor now oracle.
I don't talk.
He don't talk here. Now pastor talk say. Now your girlfriend, now be the reason for your consistent illness. Oh my boy, now can't go reason say now acid go solve the problem.
Shit.
Can't go carry acid bath the girl.
Shit.
So now for my man, I can't reason say okay now how the pastor will they feel now? You will go talk say you want see bathing now. Her own face now, they not even agree to show the face because man, no be sight to behold at all. And Ghana girl she be 22-year-old Ghanaian lady they call Anita Otema. You understand? And her boyfriend are like 28 years old, Kwabena Fosu. But the guy just go back farm, just say okay because say pastor tell me say now you they cause my illness and everything. I mean, you know to make brain. Say wala, he say too wala. If you find other means, not be acid goes also you want to bath
So
person
because they call the girl, maybe they pray for him or something.
Or run deliverance or something, or I don't know, Sha. I don't want even to go to spiritual things and every, but it not make sense at all.
Oh, wow.
These are the kind of guys that they give us bad name for this world. And they feel like they vex me because I get sisters.
Yeah.
You understand?
Like
so for the reason I'm from that angle, not to make brain. You understand? But any which way, with the hope say, thank God say our life no loss, you know, but I hope say they will do some kind of corrective measures onto surgery P for her
Hopefully.
to stay get her back
Hopefully.
in state. Because person go still marry this one now.
At the end of the
Don't
day,
spoil
you
one future guy.
You don't understand.
Anyway, speedy recovery now and wish you, Anita. All right, so cocoa number 2.
I'm in love with the cocoa.
Okay. This one concerns one chance. Abuja. I said they don't stop all this level. But well, either way, the more they hear most of these G's, we will see they give people this talk then for us.
Yeah,
I say everybody got to be very careful.
Very careful.
You understand? For those of you that enter public transport and everything, they're very careful. In fact, some of my friends don't get these experiences one-on-one. You know, where they just bail up them inside motor. But thank God say they don't kill them. You understand? Fine, it's best you lose your money, but not lose your life. You get? But at the same time, this one of Abuja happened. The woman just enter inside taxi. Say me she just go where she want reach. Now the taxi guy rob am. Turn to one chance matter, you know, carry and go place. I rob am, come track, come off for inside moving motor. Come still climb am join. You understand? So the evil way people don't they do these days, they baffle me, sha. You know, but everybody just need to be very careful. Now inside Abuja here, it happened, and they can't gas pursue the man last. See the taxi. They pursue him. People they will witness the whole thing. They pursue the guy. They catch him. Finally, they come carry and go police station. And then at the joyful part of the whole gist, we say they still grab the guy. I trust Nigeria police for this one. Oh, they go light on in ear.
You go shock the
You are a person. You see thief the woman. You see what?
But the woman survived.
She survived. And so, but either way, with the thank God, I say every day okay. But everybody when they watch us like this, I bet they're very, very careful. Very, very careful. When your instincts they tell you some kind of things, they reason now. Because sometimes instincts they tell us this thing.
Yeah, sure.
No enter. You know, I don't check one kind journey that year because of this whole particular people. But any which way, thank God say she died alive. But everybody will watch us, please be very, very careful. All right. Okay, so come on, Ontop Coco for the day. And by the time we come back, we'll get our guest. We don't first guest or anything. Our guest inside the building, the beautiful Cynthia Morgan. Good day with us inside this building.